One nice new feature that Power BI has enabled in recent months is the ability for metadata about an individual report to get exposed in a very easy way. What does that mean? Well, if I'm sitting here, I'm currently in this tutorials app, and I'm in the tutorial report. I'm down here on this metadata page. If you'll notice, up here on the top, the very tip top, sort of 12 o'clock noon, it says tutorial and data updated 9/12/2019. If I click on this little downward caret, it'll show me little bits of metadata about this, right? Now, there's not a ton of stuff in here. I expect this list to grow over time, but it's kind of nice. You can see the name of the report that I'm looking in right now. You can see the owner of it, which happens to be me. If you want to, you could even click on this and it'll open up Outlook, and you can send an email to me saying it's broken or you love it or whatever you want. Very easy to contact the owner of the report. And also it shows the last time that the data was refreshed. And that can be quite handy too, because if you're looking at a report and you say, these numbers look kind of funny, you can hit this metadata area up here and say, oh, this thing hasn't been refreshed for 3 months. That's why the data looks funny. One thing I will mention is this is the last time the data has been refreshed in Power BI. So it is possible that you could have a daily refresh in Power BI, right? And so every single morning the data is refreshing out of a database somewhere. But it's also possible that that database, that it has a process to go load fresh data that is broken. And so what that means is every single night, Power BI is trying to load fresh data, and it's loading what it can, but the data in the actual database itself is stale. So this isn't completely an indication that you're working with up-to-date data, but it does at least let you know that the last time that Power BI attempted to refresh the data and whether or not it succeeded or not.